Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can add column right here in Google Doc. Yes. So for instance, you're doing a school project, you have to put the document in columns. Right, you don't know how to do that. I'm going to show you even at a workplace. Or you're doing a presentation and you have to put a column. I don't know how to do this. I'm going to guide you through this particular thing. Very important. In Microsoft Word, definitely you can actually put column in it, but how do you really do it right here in Google Doc? Alright, the first thing that you want to do is come here. Notice this is the word edit, right? If you notice insert, format, tool, extension, and all that. But what we want to focus on right here is format. Now, when you click on format, you notice what you will see is a text, right? It's a paragraph, it's a line right here. If you notice, this is column. So this is what we want. You want to come to your right. So notice this is show 1, this is show 2, and this show 3. So if I click on 2, this is exactly what it look like. Notice tab 2 column. But if I go back here to format and I click on the one that said 3 over here, like that, you notice our paragraph actually into 3, right? And scroll it up, is what it look like. So this is exactly what it look like. So this is one way you can actually add the column right here in Google Docs. So hope you have learned something from this video. If this video has helped you out, just consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.